Hey everyone, in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. Klein Chemicals Inc. produces a special oil-based material that is currently in short supply. Four of the client's customers have already placed orders that together exceed the combined capacity of Klein's two plants. So here in this question, they provided a table, and in this table, we have a plant column where we have two plants, Clifton Springs and Danville, and we have a customers D1, D2, D3, and D4. Then again, another table we have for customers table. So here we have a plant column, and then the capacity of both the plants, and then the distributed orders, which is in units. So in this question, they have asked how many units should each plant produce for each customer to maximize profits. Which customer demands will not be met, and show your network model and linear programming formulation. So I already solved this question, and I already set up the linear programming formulation using Excel solver and the network model. So here is my Excel, and this one is our network diagram. This is a complete network diagram which says all the networks that are flows, and then this sheet provides us the formulation. So here we have used Xij, where the objective is to maximize, and Xij is the unit of amount of units produced by plant nodes, which is the plant node III and customer node J. So I and J is the variables, and here this one is our objective function, and goal is to maximize. So this one is 32x11, then 34x12 plus 32x13. So this one is the complete and the objective for maximization. Then these all our constraints. I get them from the question itself, and then this one is our solver setup. So let me go through the solver setup. So this one, as already discussed, is our variables, and then goal is to maximize the profit. So I set up the operators and the optimal solution, and these are all our constants from row number 3 to row number 9. And here this one is our maximization of profit, which is the objective. So my objective is to 82,000. Then this one is our calculations. So here in this Excel, there are formulas and solver setup which draws the maximization of profit. Then this one is our complete answer, and then this sheet provides us the solution report which has been derived from solver. So this one is our solver answer report 1. Then this one this sheet provides us the sensitivity report, and then this sheet report provides us the limits report. So this is the complete verified solution, and if you need this solution, you can just reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. And if you have if you have another questions, or if you need any help regarding in your exams, so I will be providing you help as well. So I have many students who have taken my help, and they have also taken the solutions as well. So if you need, and they got 100, a good marks. So if you need any assistance, definitely you can reach me for that one as well. So I hope you like this video, and do subscribe my channel for another questions, and thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.